Angelo Filanzi says, hello, great channel. Thank you, sir. Any update related to the rough idle? Many thanks. So I didn't think about that lately because my car has been running great. So I will go and take a look and I will show you. And by the way, JMTN says that he got his fancy set of keys with an integrated flashlight and he likes it. And I agree. It's quite a nice key and I love the flashlight as well. So let's go take a look at my car. Okay, let's go take a look. My car is warm because I picked up my daughter at the park earlier. So put the fancy key in here. Okay, take a look. Seems to run quite well. No more hunting idle. There's a bit of a miss, slight hunting, but it's really not bad. So yeah, it's all good. So yeah, the idle seems really good. I think it's because I changed the DME. I got the old one in the parts stash right here. I replaced it with a known good unit from another 735 or 535, can't remember, and it works quite well. So yeah, it seems to have solved itself. I don't know exactly what did it, but there's still a bit of a I wouldn't call that a miss or a hunting, but you know, it's usual M30 characteristic, not a super smooth idle. This is due to the cam profile, I believe. But yeah, I'm happy with that. You know, when I go to the drive-through, I don't hear my car anymore going like, you know, up and down like this. So it's not embarrassing and it's working well. So yeah, so thanks for asking. And you know, I did a lot of work on that car. You know, new injectors, wiring. You know, most everything is new. So yeah, but I think the DME made a big difference. So yeah, just thought I would share that with you. And thanks for asking, and thanks for watching the channel.